Are you working for yourself but worried about what happens if something goes wrong on the job? Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or skilled tradesperson, insurance isn't just a nice to have, it's protection for your business and your peace of mind. But how much does independent contractor insurance actually cost in the USA? Let's break it down within 2 minutes. Check out the link in the description box below. First, independent contractor insurance isn't one size fits all. Costs vary depending on your industry, location, coverage limits, and risk level. For example, a graphic designer working from home will likely pay far less than a construction contractor working on-site. The most common coverage you'll need is general liability insurance. This protects you if you accidentally damage someone's property or cause injury. On average, you might pay $30 to $60 per month, or roughly $360 to $720 per year. If you use tools, equipment, or drive for work, you might add commercial auto or tools and equipment coverage. These can range from $15 to $50 per month each, depending on the value of what you're insuring. Some clients may require professional liability insurance, especially if you offer advice or services where mistakes could cost money. That runs about $40 to $100 per month. Bundle policies, like a business owner's policy, BOP, can sometimes save you money, combining general liability with property coverage for around $500 to $1,200 per year. You can save up to 25% in discounts on business insurance with Next. Bottom line, for most independent contractors, insurance costs can start as low as $400 per year, but could climb over $2,000 if your work involves higher risks. The key is getting coverage tailored to your profession so you're protected without overpaying. So, what's your line of work? Knowing that is the first step to finding the right coverage at the right price. Are you looking for a trusted insurance provider who has a lot of experience? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.